Welcome back. Brett Canada here, Juice Feaster on all the social media platforms, and I'm on a mission to cleanse, regenerate, and transform 1 million people with the magical powers of juicing. In today's video, we're going to make an amazing recipe called the Xanthin Thrill. And this juice is named after xanthins, which are part of a larger category of naturally occurring beneficial plant compounds called carotenoids. And carotenoids have been shown scientifically to boost your immune system and help with eye health, and also protect our cells against free radicals that are in the environment from toxins that help prevent cell damage. So it's very important to include a wide variety of these naturally occurring beneficial plant compounds into our daily nutritional intake. And juicing is an incredible way to concentrate these nutrients. So let's take a look at this simple juice recipe. First off, we're gonna take 6 carrots. I have some smaller carrots, so I've got a few extra here. Then we're gonna throw in some golden beets. Now, most of you are familiar with red beets, but these are its yellow-orange cousin, the golden beet. And I think you'll see with all these ingredients, the deep yellow-orange colors that really are emblematic of the carotenoids. So with the beets, we're gonna take 6 golden beets. Then we're gonna take 3 yellow bell peppers. So the combination of all 3 of these ingredients will give us a really deep, dark, rich, orange-colored juice, which is going to be chock full of those xanthins that are so beneficial to our health. So let's make this juice and see how it tastes. To prep the ingredients for the Xanthin Thrill recipe, we'll chop up the golden beets and yellow bell peppers into a size that will easily fit down the feed chute of the grinder stage, or the first stage of the pure 2-stage cold press juicer. The grinder is on the left side of the machine, so we'll put all of the produce through that grinder until it's all pulped up. Once everything is ground up, we'll take a spoon and give it a quick stir in the pulp bowl to make sure that we activate the enzymes before we press it. So once everything is ground up, we'll give it a stir and put about 1.5 cups of the pulp into the center of the reusable, cleanable press cloth, and then put it onto the right side of the machine, which is the hydraulic press, or the second stage of the 2-stage process. This press allows us to press absolutely every drop of this nutritious juice out of the pulp. So we're going to repeat that process until we've pressed all the pulp the first time. After we've pressed the pulp the first time, we'll take each one of those press claws, put them back onto the press, and press every last drop of this juice out of the pulp. With this style of juicer, we're able to get the most juice yield, the most nutrient extraction, the most enzyme activity of any juicer on the market. Such an amazing juicer. Okay, there you have it. Look at this beautiful orange juice. Not made from oranges, but made from golden beets, deep dark orange carrots, and yellow peppers. Let's pour this out and see what we've got. Beautiful orange carotenoids, xanthins, a little bit more than 1 liter here for this recipe. So if you're new to juicing, you might be wondering, do you have to know about all these xanthins and carotenoids and polyphenols and anthocyanins and all these things that get thrown around in health articles? And the answer is no, you don't have to become an expert on this. But there are some resources available to help you with just enough knowledge to know that you're getting the beneficial nutrition that you need to be getting on a daily basis. So the folks at Pure Juicer Company, they have developed what's called the periodic table of juicing. And so it's an amazing document that they developed that links up all of these nutritional components like xanthins or carotenoids, and link them up so that you can know what beneficial nutritional compounds you're getting with the ingredients that you juice. No need to become an expert in this. There are lots of experts out there who have made this super simple to help you understand that you're getting exactly what you need to get in the juices that you drink. So check out the periodic table of juicing. There's a link to it in the description box below. It's an ever-growing document, so I'm really excited to see how this document unfolds. So it'll be a really useful document to be able to build nutritious juice recipes and know exactly the targeted type of nutrition that you're getting. So let's take a sip of this juice, the Xanthin Thrill. Wow, super sweet. If you like sweet juices, this is going to be a juice for you. And you know just by looking at this juice, the orange color, this has got to be good for you. So you don't need to know all about the chemical compounds. Just know that this juice is going to be amazing for you when you drink it. And if you want to know a little bit more, dig into that periodic table of juicing and you'll be able to understand exactly what you're getting. So with that, here you have the Xanthin Thrill, and it's a delicious juice. I encourage you to make lots of juices like this and include them into your daily juicing habit, and you'll be getting some great nutrition. So until we speak again, I encourage you to make lots of juice, drink it all, and stay juicy. Cheers, my friends. Wow.